This is exciting because Josh has just turned up, and yeah, I've just had to run to the cash point because we've got a better rate of exchange of our fuel than anything I've got, and there he is. Oh, alright lad. I'm sorry about this, I'm one of those obnoxious twats who makes films.
Oh, right.
You don't mind if I film you, do you? No. Is that okay? Yeah. Hey, how do you do?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
Oh God, could be better, could be better. I don't suppose you've got 10 quid change, have you?
Yes.
Thank God for that. And have you got a big bag of coal?
How many bags do you want?
Just the one, I'm afraid.
No, yeah, £11.50.
£11.50.
What have you got, £20 note?
£20 note and £1.50.
Oh.
Yeah, I think I can sort that one out.
Brilliant.
Wow. Now, so what a wonderful boat you've got as well.
Thank you very much. I'll just get your tenner. Go on, in. Go on.
Well, no, wait, you should be alright. I think I might be able to sort it out. I've got a couple of fivers on me. Yeah, I've got 10.50, so I don't need to worry about change. Sorry about making you race into your cabin.
That's alright. I'll bring the coal to you in a sec.
Oh, don't worry, just call it out and I'll carry it.
Alright.
11.50?
Yeah.
Let's throw my money about. There you are. 10 and 150.
Thank you very much. So
Lovely. Just sling it onto the towpath, I'll carry it. Yeah. There's no sense in you bringing it about. You probably had a long enough day anyway.
It's been fairly long, but I'm going to stop here the night now.
Oh, are you going to stay here for the night?
Yeah.
Keep an eye on the boat.
Aye.
I'm off to see the wife.
Are you?
It's a good thing you turned up when I did. I might have missed you. What's your name, by the way, mate?
Rich. And yours?
Rich. I'm Ted.
Ted. Nice to meet you, Ted.
Yeah, pleasure. It's lovely to see a proper old Joshua as well.
Oh, yeah.
Last fuel boat that came here, he didn't have any bloody fuel.
What? No coal?
No. I was waiting for coal. Yeah, if you take the camera, I'll take the coal. Right. Now that is service. So you work in Worcester and Birmingham?
Yeah, and the Stratford.
And the Stratford? Yeah. Stratford North?
Yeah, and south down to Wilmcote.
I've never been that far. Yeah. I've only been on my boat for about 18 months and I'm still crap at boating.
I've only been on it 15 years and I ain't much better.
I was going to say, you don't need an apprentice, do you?
Nah. Whereabouts do you want
Oh, just sling it on the stern. You sling it on the stern and I'll faff about with it later.
Okay.
Rich, thank you very much indeed. No, it's been a pleasure, mate. Thank you very much. And can I get another shot of your boat? And let people know that Rich is plying.
Rich is on Roach, the coal boat.
Roach the coal boat. He's plying his way, and he has saved many a boater. And saved me.
Actually, at the moment, how many people are in odd places, locked down.
And let's not forget the dog as well. Who's the dog?
Telford.
Telford the dog.
Telford.
Named after Thomas Telford.
Yeah.
Aye. He doesn't like being filmed. Poor fellow.
Shy boy.
Oh bless. Well, I'll keep my cat indoors.
No. Well, I won't let him out.
Don't worry, I don't.
Once I know there's a cat about, I'll keep him under control.
I never let my cat out. Not in the winter. Let the cat out. He keeps falling in. Bless. Anyway, Rich, cheers, mate. Yeah, it's been a pleasure. And thanks for the coal.
Thank you very much.
Take care, mate. Yeah, no, really, thank you very much. And like I say, I don't think I'll be here when you set off tomorrow, but all the same, all the best to you. Bon voyage, and like I say, thank you very much. Hey. Hey, what's this?
Just got some details on the back of what I do.
Oh, fantastic. Can I keep this?
Yeah.
Thank you, Rich.
Thank you.
I'll treasure it, I will. Have a good night, mate.
I wouldn't go that far, but...
Are you heading into Birmingham?
In and out tomorrow morning, yeah.
Yeah, Birmingham Dash.
Birmingham Dash, back here, down the North Stratford.
snow. And that's it, it's almost as dark as night in here. Look at this. Yep, the barometer reads at stormy. Oh dear. This has always been my greatest fear. A huge amount of snow on the boat. Turns into water, gets into the bilge, and then the boat sinks. Fun. So, shovel off as much snow as I can. You may find this hard to believe, but somewhere under that snowdrift is a boat. Frankly, it feels like a bit of a hopeless exercise because it's still tipping it down with snow here. Oh, Lord. Oh God. Have a go at the solar panels, but I don't think we're going to get a lot of sun today. Oh dear. Look at that. Even the chimney's snowed up. It's at times like this one would do well to remember the old naval adage. You keep one hand for your boat and one hand for yourself. Oh, bollocks. Sorry about this.
It's alright.
I have a
I know
confession.
you're obsessed.
Oh, am I? Apparently so.
You told me.
Oh God, yes. Oh, it's you, John. I didn't recognise you under all this snow.
No, well.
Oh well. You were in the last. I think you were in the last movie, briefly, when you met my
yes.
wife.
You mean you haven't done anything? That's a week ago.
Well, I'm doing something now. Trying to stay alive, mainly.
Yes.
I was just going to tell him at home, one good thing about this weather is it does keep the cyclists away. So, you know, trying to find the positives.
Are you keeping warm enough? And
Not yet, no, but I will get the fire on once I've got the supplies in.
all right.
But yeah, I'll get the fire on in a bit. I'm just trying to keep the snow off at the moment.
Yes.
Oh well, are you going to do the same as well, like try and just sweep it clean?
Well, solar panels anyway.
Oh yeah, mine are all iced over, so it's all... Oh no. Anyway, I'll see you later, John. Cheerio, mate. Never knew who you're going to run into. I've just realised something rather ghastly, which is the last time we had a major snowfall like this. I remember it well because I was trying to get into Redditch. I was trying to arrange a comedy show there, and the snow was so heavy that it fouled up the railway line to Redditch, which means it's fouled up the railway line to Alvechurch, which means, while the weather's like this, I and my wife are separated. I won't see her until, well, not until the snow melts. What a bugger! Right, there should be a bag of coal under here somewhere. Let's hope it lasts. So hopefully this will prove a slightly better method of, you know, getting rid of the snow. If I get the fire on and just keep the fire going, and hopefully the boat will just warm up and all the snow should just melt off without me having to faff about and do anything with the broom. So, sit back and wait, I suppose.
I'll drink me lager, smoke a blow, for while I'm hemmed in by the snow, it's here I lie and here I stay, over